Okay guys, the next question type is matching. Now look here. In matching, the questions are not in passage order. They will give you questions 31, 32, 33. Questions are not in passage order, but the options which are given, they are in question order. What you have to do whenever you find this matching, you just need to read the names of the people and underline them in the passage. Scan the names and underline them in the passage. It will help you because then you can just read the statement and you can easily locate that. For example, Jean Auguste Dominique. Now you can see where do they talk about Jean, or by the way you can read all the names and then go in the beginning of the passage and underline wherever you find one of these names. Okay, just do it quickly. You can find Jean Auguste on page 167, line number 6456. Got it? Yes. Then you read on next paragraph, page 167, third line, Lacan and Francis. Got it? Underline that also. And then you read on and you will find page number 168, line number 90. Charles is there. Okay. Then this paragraph after 100, Eugene is there. Yeah, Eugene is there. You can underline that, Eugene. And then you go on Philip Gilbert. Got it? Philip Gilbert is there. And then you move on. That's it, I think. Yeah, these are just the names. So wherever there are the names, you will just scan only at those spots. Now please come back. Question number 35. He claimed that photography would make paintings more realistic. Now just go back where you underlined the names and see which person said that. This is one way of doing it. He claimed that photography would make painting more realistic. So you need to look for something more realistic. More realistic, somewhere like natural. For more realistic, they can use the word natural. First see Jean Auguste, then try Lacan and Francis. And for Lacan and Francis, they use the word latter. Latter means Francis. So page number 167, last paragraph. Focus there. And then see anything if he's saying. He claimed that photography would make paintings more realistic. Got it? I'm reading it for you. Please everyone follow me. Page 167, last paragraph. The view that photographs might be worthwhile to artists was enunciated in considerable detail by Lacan and Francis Way. The latter, what does it mean? Exactly, latter means Francis. An art and literature critic who eventually recognized that camera images could be inspired as well as informative, suggested that they would lead to greater naturalness in the graphic depiction of anatomy, clothing, likeness, expression of landscape. What does that mean? That means he claimed that photography would make paintings more realistic. And what is the word that they are using for more realistic? Naturalness in the graphic depiction of anatomy. Anatomy means the body, human body, clothing, likeness and all that. So the answer to question number 35 is Francis Way, and that is option B. Clear? Let's do one more question and then we finish. Question number 36. He highlighted the limitations and deceptions of the camera. He highlighted limitations and deception. Deception means fraud, cheating. Now go back to the names and see if there is anyone they talk about. cheating or fraud or this is not right or unfair or anything like that. Falsehood is the word they have used here. Philip Gilbert Hamerton, page number 168, right side column, second last paragraph, third last line. Philip Gilbert Hamerton, to dismiss camera images as narrow in range. What does that mean? Narrow in range means limitation. Narrow in range, that is limitation. And then he says, emphatic in assertion, telling one truth for 10 falsehood. So telling one truth for 10 falsehood, that actually means deceptions of the camera. Okay, एक सच्चाई और 9 झूठ, 1 truth and 9 falsehood. So what is this guy is E. Philip Gilbert Hamerton. So question number 36, the answer is E, exactly. Alright, so that's all guys, thank you very much. You'll have to work very hard with your academic IELTS reading. Now, why I select academic reading tests when I know in the class there are general training candidates as well? Because academic reading will prepare you for general training reading very well. After doing academic reading, when you take general training reading test, you will say thank God. Because their passages are not very long, not very complicated, and the topics are social. Whereas in academic reading, the passages are science, technology, research, innovation and different things like that. Okay. So, yeah.